What's up y'all? Welcome to my channel, Offset Trucking, y'all. So today we're here for another vlog, if I can call it another episode. Okay, right now we're in North Carolina, y'all. That's a really, can't see nowhere. I'm trying to turn here. North Carolina, and we're heading to Florida. Florida. I hate when it's like that. Okay, I think I can go now. Alright, just maybe. Sorry, alright. Oh man, one thing I hate going up and down here, man. I hate it. But, and another thing too, road construction. Whew. That's another sucker that I hate. When there's construction, it's really annoying. But anyway, hopefully we have a better day than yesterday, man. Yesterday was really, I didn't like yesterday at all, man. It was really a bad day for me. Really a bad day, man. So now I'm thinking, where is that GPS gonna, where's that GPS is sending me, man? All them small ass, tight ass road.
In half a mile, turn left onto Wilkinson Boulevard.
Wilkinson Boulevard. Okay, GPS. Wilkinson Boulevard. I guess it's that light. Maybe not. Nah, yeah, probably yes. It is that light. It was.
Turn left onto Wilkinson Boulevard.
Wilkinson Boulevard, okay. So after I turn left, okay, I'm running my right side. But yeah, guys, now we're gonna take the highway. We're gonna take the highway and then ready to go. Ready to go. Right, come on, lights. Now we starting fresh. We got like 8 hours. It's not like yesterday we were fighting. We were almost out of driving time, man. Almost got a violation. That would be crazy. That would have been crazy, y'all. Really crazy. But anyway, we made it, man. We made it. So now we're gonna pray to God that I have a good day today, and you know, no headache at all, man. Yesterday I was like a turtle in the wood, man. I was driving so slow. It was raining so bad. I haven't uploaded the video yet, but it was raining so bad, man. I keep going up and down mountain. All them crap, man. All them crap make my anxiety go up, man. I was really, ooh, I was really frustrated, man. I didn't like that feeling at all. The way I was feeling yesterday. I didn't like it at all, man. So that's what I'm saying today. I pray to God that I have a better day, man.
Turn right onto I-485.
I even use engine brake here. I guess I can. Because there's no sign that says you cannot use it. Prime. Everywhere you go, you see prime. Man, I need a better trucking job, man. I need a trucking job where I go from like local job, small amount of drive, man. Small amount of drive, not going over the road, state to state. You get through all kind of weather. It's really crazy, man. Today is school day, so we need this one. South.
Turn at the first right onto I-485.
Okay, I-485 south. Okay, nobody's coming and watch the trailer. Alright. We're good. There you go. There you go. We're good to go. So now we're gonna go on I-485 south. And we're gonna take 77, exit 67 to Columbia, Charlotte. That's what we're gonna do. Oh man. One thing I know for sure, West Virginia is not somewhere that I wanna drive. West Virginia, man. I don't wanna drive to West Virginia. It's crazy. West Virginia is crazy, man. All them going up and down roads, I don't like them at all. It's crazy. Right now we're entering South Carolina and we have a bypass because there's a wait station. Okay, we got bypass, man. We do not have to enter the wait station. I hate going up and down, man. And it's really busy here. South Carolina. So after South Carolina, I don't know which state we're gonna get next. But we see Welcome Center. Free reservation.
Wait station ahead.
Wait station ahead. I already got a bypass wait station. See the sign? South Carolina Welcome Center. Man, look at that big old thing, man. I feel like a big chicken. Look how he's going so fast. And me, I'm taking my sweet time on the road. Ain't that chicken? Ain't that being a chicken? Big chicken, man. You cannot be chucking with fear. Man, look at where them chokers stop. Did they sleep there? Probably. Man, that's a dangerous spot to sleep. I don't know how them. I wouldn't be able to do that thing either. Carrying all them cars, my anxiety would go so much higher. But anyway, guys, where's the sign that said welcome to South Carolina? I wanted to see it. I guess not. Guess I'm probably in like 2 miles. 2 miles or so. I didn't even see the wait station. And I think I already passed it. Maybe it was in the welcome center thing? Nah. I don't think so. I don't think so. When am I gonna find some good road, clear road, no up and down, so I can do my thing, man? When? Because right now I'm driving like a grandpa.